What's up, explorers? Adam Carroll.
Nick Durr here, and we at Mastery of Money are committed to you focusing on money now,
So you don't have to worry about money later. On today's show, we are answering the question, can paying off credit cards hurt my credit? And the answer may surprise you. There are two things that definitely will hurt your credit. So in answering this question about should I pay off my credit cards, and if I do, will it hurt my credit? The very simple answer is no, however. And the however has two extra answers to it. In all reality, paying off your credit card debt is a good thing. If you're paying off those cards, it means you're paying less in interest. It means it looks like you have more credit available to you, which is good for your credit score. But there are two things that you can do that will actually depress your credit score.
What are those things?
I'm glad you asked. The first thing is if you are to pay off your credit card, and it is a long-standing card, so this is one that you maybe got in college, you've had for a number of years, but you pay off that credit card debt, and then you close the card, what happens is your score will go down. And the reason behind that is one of the components of your credit score is the length of your credit history. So if you open a credit card in college and then you closed it 7 years later, well, you just lost 7 years of credit history. And that, in effect, will depress your credit score. So that's number one.
What's number two?
I'm glad you asked. So number two, the second thing that will depress your credit score is if, let's say you have 5 credit cards open and each one of those has $200 balance on it. So you have $1,000 in total credit outstanding, total debt outstanding. If you were to pay all of those off on a refinance where you consolidated all of the debt onto one new credit card, what happens is that one new credit card will take all of those $200 balances, and now you owe $1,000 on a $1,000 limit credit card. And what it looks like is your credit utilization percentage is
100%.
100%. So now your credit score will go down because you're leveraging all of the available credit on that one card. So keep in mind, if you're shopping around for consolidation offers, sometimes consolidating all of that debt on one credit card is not a great option. That is the second reason your score would go down.
And just to expand on that credit utilization, typically credit card companies are looking for a 30% credit utilization rate. So as long as you're using 30% or less of your available credit balance, you are okay. And the credit utilization rate, of the 5 components that make up your credit score, accounts for 30%. So it is a huge component of how much balance and credit you're carrying on your available credit card.
Exactly. So to answer the original question, if you're considering paying off that credit card and you can do it, do it. Don't worry about your score going down, particularly if you keep that credit card open. So if you want to learn more about how to improve your credit score, click on this card up here. Or if you want to know everything there is to know about credit scoring, check out this one right here.
Now, if you want to take your finances to the next level and elevate your money mindset, check out these videos here.
And make sure you click subscribe down below to be reminded every time a new video is published. Typically, we do it every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So we'll see you next time. And remember, bag that baguette.